In the precision manufacturing of aircraft engines, manual handling hits limits. Hard to ensure both efficiency and zero errors. In this project, Logiant's CTU bin pick robots are deployed at a leading domestic aircraft engine manufacturer, enabling a smart shift from person to goods to person picking. The product supports picking multiple size bins and accessing several bins at once for flexible operation. Efficiently utilizes warehouse space. The CTU bin robot receives commands from the scheduling system, can autonomously locate the corresponding shelf's angle and height, completes pick-and-place operations on cargo units, accessing multiple bins at once, autonomously docks with the conveyor line according to scheduling system commands. Through human-robot collaboration, work efficiency is effectively increased by 3 to 4 times. Logiant will continue to provide you with more indoor and outdoor warehousing and logistics solutions.